Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today I wanted to do a flip through of the prototype projects that I made using the Timeless Special Little Sister Edition featuring Tonya Samuels. So she has allowed me to use her digitals. I put them on my templates. So we collabed together with this. This is the second time we've done this. The first time was with the Simply Magical, and it was a lot of fun. I had a great time creating the templates. I had a great time using the templates. Tonya is so super sweet. She lets me use, she gave me like digital images that I could use and move and add and switch, and I layered things, my things on her things. I just made them different for my little set of templates. And the fun thing about this little set of templates is that it will go in the main set of templates. I'm just going to grab one that has a pocket here. If you watched the flip throughs, you know what I'm talking about when I say these are all the covers for this particular one. I'll have a playlist for this entire set of templates, Timeless. I will link that up here in the cards and down below in the description box. So this is the little sister version, and it fits into the 3D pockets as well. This one's a little thicker. Let's see, let's use this thin one. This is the thinner version, so it'll fit inside here just like the main version does from the main set of templates. So I kind of created it that way because I wanted you guys to be able to use them for more than just this one project, right? So like you also get a plain set, which I didn't do that last time. So you get a plain set that you can use in your big album. You get a set with the vintage script that you can use in your big album. And if your color combinations, the paper collection, if it works with whatever project, you can just use the printable as well. But before I show you all of this, she has a digital paper collection that is called Purple Dynasty, I think. I think there's 2 listings. I will link them down below, and I'm not 100% sure if all of these pages are included. That's something you're gonna have to ask Tonya. But she did include a lot in her listings. So she's got like the digital paper collection, then she's got like an add-on. So all that will be linked down below. And I'll just do a quick little flip through of some of the pages that I have printed out so you can see. You can see the beautiful color combinations. There's some portraits, there's some landscapes. This happens to be one of my favorites. Oh, I guess that's a favorite too. So the paint swatches, that looks like the watercolor swatches, they're just beautiful. Some are softer, some are more solid and vibrant. These were printed with my inkjet, so they're a little bit softer than if they were printed on my laser. Here is one of the pages. This is the page that I made my ephemera keeper. I used one of those to make my ephemera keeper for my flowers, for all the bonus flowers that come with the main set of templates. So you might see duplicates, and then there's ephemera cards and things. I didn't have all the cards and things printed out when I made my prototypes, but I don't think this one's, I think that one was a boo-boo, but we'll just continue on. Like this one is like a landscape, so depending on what you're printing. Isn't that the most beautiful color, purple? I love it so much. This is a landscape. So again, these probably aren't all of her pages. I'm not sure if they're all included or not, but it's worth the look. And there's like a ledge. There's a ledge. Here's a ledge. It's a ledger page. And then this is kind of like a solid. My printer printed it a little crooked, but it's like old crumpled up paper. So we'll just keep going. Isn't there a lot? And they're beautiful. There's some cards. I didn't print this. It cut off good. I didn't print these right. She has some postcards included. There's some fun little envelopes. There's some little cards. Some more little cards. some more little cards. I think I printed that off a couple times. So I don't, that looks like that might be a duplicate. There we go, that one's much clearer. So, yeah, I didn't print everything off, and I might have cut some out and put it in there, I don't remember. But, anyways. So, yeah, so, again, I'm sure there's more to it than what I've showed you, but check her out. Check out the listings, link down below. So, let's start with, I'll start with the simplest one. So, oh, where is that at? Hang on a minute. Aha! There's also butterflies included in one of her, whether it's the main or the add-on, I don't remember. But I cut them, I printed them. This is the normal size, they're large. Then I printed them 2 to a page. Then I printed them 4 to a page, just to make different sizes. But there's purple and then the multicolored. So, you know, I love butterflies. And I asked her specifically, I was like, will you please make sure to include butterflies? So, yeah. That was really nice of her to include butterflies. Okay, so let me scooch in. So I made this into like a journal. So there's one of my new journaling spots at number 2. There's one of her butterflies. I think this is the 2 to a page right here. And then I did these corners, these metal corners on there. I love those so very much. And then I've got a rusted clip, and this is sewn together, and there's nothing on the back. So I had printed one of my background designs. I think that's coffee stained on the back side of this page. And then here is one of the elements of the Little Sister edition. And is that, yep. Let me use something here. So this is oh, that's not a good. This is a tuck. So this is for a 4x6 photo mat. But there's a little tuck there, so if you want to tuck things in. Coffee stain. There's one of the main pages. Again, I did the coffee stain printable background design on there. Here is one of the heart envelopes. So there is the bee. Wax seal stamp. And again, I'll try to have all this stuff linked in an Amazon list for the intro video of all this stuff. You know, all the prototypes that I made. So there is the vintage script. Right? So you fold it up. Make a little letter. Here's one of the tags that's part of the Little Sister edition. Just did a little a cluster of all kinds of images there. And then here's one of the pages. Coffee stained paper. Another one of the pages. Here's one of the hearts. I did the hearts too to a page. And that way it could fit in these smaller ones. I did want to tell you, I don't know if I said it in the intro video, but this set of templates that I have, the Little Sister version, I have it in PDF form, but then I also have a zip, I did mention it, but I also have a zip drive with the JPEG, so it's easier to do 2 to a page when you have a JPEG. So I did do that this time just because this set of templates was small enough that I could do that. Normally I can't, the JPEGs are too big, but anyways, so there's the other side of that tag. And some coffee stain. And then this one is one of the heart envelopes. Looks like this, matches the covers. Isn't that beautiful? I just love this. So I think I just had this sitting on here like this. Okay, coffee stain paper, and then there's one of the pages, and then here's the back cover. So there's one of the prototypes. Let me scoot out just a little bit. And then here is another one. So here's one of the pockets, and then I just have a 4x6 photo mat in here, and then this is cute. I took and cut apart, this is Photomats Essentials 2. I cut apart this and I glued it to coffee stained paper, and I folded it in half. This is some faux vintage tape that I made. I actually did it following one of Tonya's videos on how to do that. If I remember, I'll link that down below. So I put some little tape there, but it was an old bag, like a shopping bag. I just thought that was fun, right? It's just a cute little embellishment. And so this opens up like this. And this is one of the pages that fold out. So you can put a photo mat. And then on this side, this is one of the these two both are on the same page. There's flip up, flip down, right? So this one has a waterfall on the one side. Whoops, I'm gonna have to turn it so you can see. So the photo mats, and then there's another waterfall page, a photo mat, waterfall page, photo mat. And then there is a pocket. I did put a photo mat there. I accidentally stamped 3 before on it. But once there's a photo there, you'll never know. And then here's the other heart envelope. I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. Have that. And then this one here, this pocket, I printed it actually onto one of her digital papers. So I printed that page on here and used it as a pocket. So don't forget you can do that because you do have a set of plain. Then on this side, this pocket, this flip, there is this pocket here and a 4x6 photo, and then there's a tag insert and Photo Mats Essentials. I did the same thing where I glued them together. Well, I actually just glued this on the back side. I glue them together that way, but sorry, my throat is just awful. So this also opens up this way. So there's one of the butterflies from her paper collection. And then this is one of the rectangle labels from my printable stuff. I'll have it linked down below. Here's a pocket. And it's housing a postcard from my postcard collection that I backed onto that same paper bag. And then a Photo Mats Essentials. So this is for a 4x6 photo. I don't know if I say that when I say the Photo Mat Essentials too. That's for a 4x6 photo. So then this also, oops, this one opens this way. So this is one of the pages. And then this here, this is actually some of Tonya's tags that she has in her collection. And I just put it on, this is coffee stained paper, and made it into like a little booklet. And then I sewed it on to this edge here. And I'll show you that in a second. And I put some faux vintage tape there. So that does that, and then, oops, my little tape came off. Then when you open it up this way, so this is where I sewed this part onto, is this little part here. So it opens up like this, another photo mat, so you can see photo mats, butterflies, labels, rectangle labels, and then here's the other pocket. And again, a postcard and a Photo Mats Essentials too. So then the butterflies, you know, are not glued all the way down. So then on the back is that other side of that little flip. So this is part of her collection, these little tags here. So there's that one. I had to stop because I kept wanting to create, because there's so many things you can do with simple templates. You know, there are so many fun things you can do. So this one's kind of like a flip-flop journal. And a flip-flop journal. And it starts off the same, has the same covers, the same pocket on the cover. Then this is one of the pages. It's a 4x6 photo mat that I stuck there. And these two are from the flip-flop printable that I have in my shop. So then this opens up. There is, it is open here, but I never did. I was going to maybe put another page here, but then again, I had to stop myself. I have to stop myself from keeping going so I can finish things. So here we've got the two shaped pockets side by side here. And then all of these are from the flip-flop ephemera as well. This one's fun. This one's printed onto like newspaper print, but my printer has messed up since then. I can't get it to do it again. And then these are two envelopes that are part of the flip-flop ephemera. And then on this pocket here, this is Journal Spot set number 1. This is from Random Embellishments. And this one is actually a freebie in my Facebook group, a ledger freebie in my Facebook group, or you can buy it in my Etsy shop. And it does say this is available free, blah, 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 in my Facebook group. My Facebook group is linked down below, but if you don't do Facebook, then you can find it in the section where all my printable stuff, all my printable embellishments are. I'll have that linked down below. Okay, so then this flips over for my 6 photo mat. Oh, yeah, no, that's on the back. Then this is one of the pages that I printed onto her paper. So this, and then there was that pocket. Where is the pocket? I think it's in this one. Yeah, this pocket here. I printed this pocket and this tag set on that paper. I just love that paper. So I made this into the center section. And then there's another one of the hearts. I didn't fold it. I just actually cut it in half and glued it down on either side of that stitch there. So I stitched that onto that. There's 2 3x4 photo mats. Flip it onto the back here, and we've got a pocket. And this is one of her tags, I believe. I just folded it and coffee stained it on one side just to help it fit in here. And then this is that. I love that. Heart envelopes. And then here's a little tuck, a little notepad, a little ephemera tuck. And there's the back of that. I could have embellished it more, but again, I had to make myself stop. So I think I've got this clip here so that things would not fall out. And then this opens this way. So here's a pocket, and there is a printed this page on the back side of the main base page, or the page in the template. So this is one of her pages. I just printed it on the back side, and that's my pocket. And then here's one of her tags. I just put it on that same paper bag. Here's another one of her tags. I think I made this one into, oh, I made this one into a flip this way. So 2 of her tags there. And then here is one of the other of my tags. Go in that pocket. I didn't mind that that one was a lot. She didn't know the size of my album or anything, so these are a little too tall for the little sister version, but I don't care. I don't mind it sticking out. Then I made a little flip shaped pocket out of the templates and just put, this was a misprint. I don't even remember what I was doing, and I don't know how this happened. Excuse me. I don't know how it happened where I had this space here. It was just the most bizarre thing. So what I did was I had printed on the other side, then I coffee stained this back side, and then I put 2 giant butterflies there. So it kind of looks like I did it on purpose, even though I didn't. So I thought that was kind of funny. Sometimes you just have to go with the, you know, go with the flow. And then I have 2 3x4 photo mats and a little number card and one of her little butterflies. And then we're back to the front again. So those are the 3 prototypes that I made for the Special Little Sister edition. And if you want to check out Tonya's printables, I will have that linked down below. And I'm thinking she's going to make a video too. So if she does, I will link it in the description box. It may say coming soon because I don't know when her video is going to be out. But anyway, so make sure you let me know what you think. Make sure you visit Tonya's channel. Make sure you subscribe to her channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. All the stuff, okay? Make sure you give us thumbs up. Make sure you comment. Make sure that you share us with your friends. We would love that tremendously. So I really appreciate you hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed the flip through. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.